In this video, I will be solving the less 20 problem of the logic 1 section. Here comes the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, let's read the problem statement. Return true if the given non-negative number is 1 or 2 less than a multiple of 20. So for example, 38 and 39 will return true, but 40 returns false. So in the less 20 method, we will be given an integer n and we need to return true if the given number n is 1 or 2 less than a multiple of 20. So how do we solve it? We know that in order to check the divisibility, we use the modulus operator. If a number has to be completely divisible by another number, for that we write n mod x should be equal to 0. So if we see 40 mod 20 will give us a 0 remainder, since 40 will be completely divisible by 20. But if we see 38 and 39, this would give us false if we go by this logic. But in the given question, we are supposed to return true when the given number n is 1 or 2 shorter or less than the actual multiple of 20, which in this case will be 40 if we take 38 and 39. So now question arises, how can we solve it? Here we observe we are returning true when if we have got n, if we add 1 in the n or 2 in the given n, these will be multiple of 20. 38 plus 2 will give us 40, which will be a multiple of 20, and 39 plus 1 will also give us 40, which will be a multiple of 20. So if we check that whether n plus 1 or n plus 2 are completely divisible by 20, in such cases we are supposed to return true, and else we are supposed to return false. So for this we can write return n plus 1 modulus 20 should be equal to 0, or n plus 2 modulus 20 should be equal to 0. So basically here we are saying that the given n are, okay, why the dash cases are failing, let me see, did I, okay, it should be false, yes. So basically here we are saying that the given n is 1 or 2 shorter than the multiple of 20, that's why. Yeah, so now let me submit this code on the platform. All correct, and finally push this code on GitHub. Less 20 and verify the code has been uploaded successfully. Done.